Welcome to the first Scratch lesson. We previously told about the Scratch program. A link to download the latest version of a program is in the description box. Scratch is a reference and education software developed for ages 8 to 16. Let's start. First of all, we will know the main list of languages with more than 50 languages. The second menu is the File menu, contains 3 options. New to create new project. Load for my computer. Save to my computer. The third menu is the Edit, which contains Restore and turn on turbo mode. We also have the Tutorials button, which contains many tutorials. We will try all of them in separate videos.